Here we're going to create a case using Field Officer on a Motorola Xoom. First, I'll select my violation type. Then I will add violations to the case. I can add as many violations as needed. After adding my violation, I'll also notice that there are red asterisks by certain fields. This indicates that those fields are required and that I must add a value or an item before moving on. In this case, I'll have to add a photo. I can either take one using my device's photo utility, or I can add one from my gallery. I can see that the correct address has populated based on my GPS location. In the event that this is not correct, we can go to the map, drag our crosshair to an accurate location. In order to get the correct address to display, I'll need to drag my crosshair to that location or type it in and set my address and GPS location. Now that we have all of the required fields entered, we can create the case as is to enter details later or enter any additional details that we have at the moment. I'm going to go ahead and submit this case. Once we've created the case, we'll be able to view it in our list of current active cases. I can change the view settings to display my active cases, all active cases, or all cases in the database. In this case, I only want to see my active cases. In the list view, we can see icons that indicate both the type and the status. I'll see a sign for sign violations, a paw print for animals, a building for property maintenance issues, and some additional icons for the other categories of violations. The red shadow indicates that there's a past due activity on that case, while the green indicates that that case is currently open. And blue icons indicate that the case is closed. Once we actually open a case, we can review the details, perform activities, or edit the case contents. If any activities have been performed on this case, perform activities, view case history, or edit the case details. Next, we'll take a closer look at managing cases through the web-based management portal at www.app-order.net.